Hi everyone. This is a tutorial on how to create an undated planner and link it with PDF-Linkr. I have updated BabyLinkr so you guys can do that, and it is now in the Google Drive. So all you have to do is click here for newest version, and you'll see BabyLinkr for version 4.66. So first of all, let me show you how you create your planner to be able to link undated. So you create a calendar, but you're going to want it to be 7 days and 6 weeks. Okay, so you're going to have 42 squares. And what you do is you type in each one of your days, this pattern. Start with the 1 and put a U after it. So 1 through 42 followed by a U, the lowercase u, because that's what BabyLinkr is going to create for you, and PDF-Linkr will pick up on that text to create all of the linked pages. So then if you're doing an undated planner, you're going to need 72 weekly pages and 504 daily pages. So that way when your user clicks on each page, or each day, then they will go to the correct linked daily page for that day, regardless of where the dates fall in that particular year. They can use it undated, if you will. So we create 72 weekly pages and then 504 daily pages. My weekly pages start on 14. So you type in all of your patterns, and then what you do is select them all, and then we're going to make the text match the background, so effectively it's hidden text. So then you export it as a PDF, and then let's get into where BabyLinkr comes in to make your CSVs to link this, okay? So here's the new BabyLinkr 466, and the changes here are you can do undated for your dailies, and then you can do page range and page range custom. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is these weeks. Obviously, the tabs you just do as normal. But for the weeks, my weeks start on page 14. We're not going to put any dates in. We're not going to put a start date and end date. We're going to put a start page 14 and end page is 19. This is for January. And I just want to put page range. I want to include weeks, the word week in the patterns, because that's what I have mine set up as, and then I'm going to add leading zeros. So I'm going to create the CSV, and let me just create a new folder here. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to name this 1 January Weekly. There we go. So from 14 to 19 on my weekly pages is January. So I need 6. So my next one is February 20 to 25 would be my February. And you do that for all of your weeklies, okay? So that shows you how to do that. Let me just open up one of those files to show you how that creates our CSV. See, it creates the correct pattern, so that's going to link correctly with PDF-Linkr when we go in to link that. Now for the dailies, let me show you that. For the dailies, it's something just a little bit different, because what we're going to do is we're going to click Undated, Page Range, and then I don't need any of this. So my page range, my daily pages start on page 86. Okay, so for January, including page 86, I'm going to have 42 pages of daily pages. So for January, I'm going to do my page range 86 to 127. Undated, clicked, and page range clicked. So I'm going to create the CSV, and I'm going to create a new folder and call it daily. Okay, and then I'm going to call this January in my daily. So let's open that up and let me show you how that creates the pattern to link correctly. See, BabyLinkr knows that we're doing an undated planner, so it puts that pattern in there for us. Okay, that pattern that, oops, that pattern that we created as hidden text. Now let's do the linking part. So the first thing I want to do is link my tabs. So let's add our PDF. And I want to open my PDF, and it has 1094 pages because I added notes pages for all of my daily pages too. So, and obviously this would say undated, but this is just a demo for you. And I'm going to select all of my tabs area. Use selected area, and I want that to be from page 2 to page 1093. Select my page link, tabs, just like normal, and then we're going to process the page links, and it takes a while since this is such a big file, so I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so that is finished. So now what I want to do is I want to add my weekly links. So I'm going to go to batch processing, and then I am going to do start page 2 in page 13 for my entering my monthly calendars. Let's add my updated PDF. I'm going to view my PDF. I'm going to select my area here because I'm adding the links to my weekly pages. Okay, so using that selected area, then I'm going to do select batch, and I'm going to select all of my weekly CSVs. And then I'm going to process the batch, and it's going to add all the links to those 12 pages for all of our weekly pages. Okay, so now I'm just going to leave these same calendar pages there because I'm just going to remove the PDF. I'm going to add the updated PDF, and now I'm going to view the PDF again because I'm going to select a different area on the page. I'm going to select this area that includes all of our hidden text. So using that selected area, then I'm going to select my daily CSVs, all of them, and I'm going to process that batch, and then it's going to add all of the links to all of my undated daily pages. So now it's finished. Let's take a look at our updated PDF. So here is the link to my weekly pages. And all of my daily pages now have links because PDF-Linkr saw the hidden text and created all of those links. So that's how you can create an undated planner and link it with PDF-Linkr now with the new updated BabyLinkr.